If you're about to Google newborn heart murmur, stop. Most newborn heart murmurs are harmless. A murmur is just a sound. It does not automatically mean that something is wrong. In the first few days, circulation is still adjusting. That can create a temporary sound. What matters is how your baby is doing. Are they feeding well? Are they breathing comfortably? Did they pass their oxygen screening? We look at the baby, not just the sound.